Hello, my name is Eva. I'm a holistic therapist and qigong teacher. I was studying qigong for 4 years at the International Qigong Institute directed by the French doctor Yves Notario. I got my teaching diploma 10 years ago and I have been practicing every day ever since. This course is entirely practical. When you finish it, you will have learned simple exercises to improve and maintain your feminine health. In addition, the exercises have a relaxing effect, which is always welcome. The main objective of this course is to harmonize the circulation of Qi in order to enhance women's health, both physical and psycho-emotional, and fully experience femininity. With consistent practice, the results can be spectacular. I have designed this course for women who seek to harmonize their hormonal system and their physical and psycho-emotional well-being. This course is for any woman of any age. Thank you for your time watching this video. If it resonates with you, subscribe to my course now. If you doubt, look at my free previews to explore further. I hope to see you soon.